Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the agents of weathering, and this is the last video about weathering. Okay, in agents of weathering, what are agents of weathering? Anything that causes, increases or enhances weathering is called agent of weathering. Okay, this is the definition. Anything that causes weathering is called the agent of weathering. Okay, that may be an animal, that may be water, ice, and the temperature difference, organisms. Okay, let's discuss the agents one by one. The first agent is frost. Frost is actually water, and water in its frozen form. See what happens. Water enters the fractures and joints of rocks, and there it freezes. When it freezes, its volume increases, and what happens, it applies mechanical pressure on the rocks, and this process is called frost wedging. So frost is the first agent of weathering, means water, basically it is water. Okay, second means frost is water in its frozen form. Second is heating and cooling. We can also name it as differential expansion. This I have already explained. Heating and cooling means temperature difference. What happens when temperature is changing? What happens? The minerals, the rock forming minerals, those minerals which are forming rocks, first expand when they are heated, and then they contract when they are cooled down. What happens due to mm, regular yeah, due to repeated expansion and contraction, they apply mechanical force on the rock and break them down, and leads to weathering. So heating and cooling is the second agent. The third agent is organisms, or are organisms. See, plants, man, and animals. What happens? Plants, I have told you that plants whose roots are and the fractures and joints, they thicken. The roots of the plant gets thickened, they increase in size and they break down the rocks and cause it by weathering. Man causes weathering by various activities, by digging and other activities. And animals, burrowing animals mean animals that live in the burrows. They dig the field and they live there. That's called a burrow. Okay, so burrowing animals, when they dig, they are doing weathering. Okay, these all play vital role in disintegration of rocks, means in breaking of rocks by their activities. And the fourth and the last agent is water. What happens? Water in its pure form is inactive. Water does not do anything. But when water reacts with some other minerals, it forms a powerful weathering agents. Okay, and does weathering. So these are the agents of weathering, and these are your notes.